exercise ADA second bit second question. So find the mean deviation about mean deviation about median for the following continuous distribution. So class intervals and frequencies. So class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. So these are the class intervals. Now corresponding frequencies. So corresponding frequencies 5, 8, 5, 8, 7, 12, 28, 20, 28, 20, 10, 10. Okay, 5, 8, 7, 12, 28, 20, 10, 10. So we need to find mean deviation about median. So first we will find the median first. Class intervals, frequency 10 to 20, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. So these are the class intervals. Corresponding frequencies 5, 8, 7, 12, 28, 20, 10 and 10. N equal to total frequency. First cumulative frequency is right, automatically we will get total frequency. Cumulative frequency 5 plus 8 13 plus 7 20 plus 12 32 plus 12 28 60 plus 20 80 plus 10 90 plus 10 100. So these are the cumulative frequencies. So automatically the last cumulative frequency we will get a sum of frequency. If we add all this, we will get a 100. So n by 2 to find the median, n by 2, 100 by 2 equal to 50. 100 by 2 equal to 50. So in all the cumulative frequency, which cumulative frequency is just crossed 50, 60? Corresponding median class is 40 to 50. 40 to 50 median class. So the lower limit of the median class here equal to how much? 40 to 50. Lower limit 40. Corresponding frequency f equal to 28. Cumulative frequency, preceding cumulative frequency PCF. So this is the just cross of 60, preceding 32. So 32 is the preceding cumulative frequency. Class size, so 0 to 10, 20 to 20, difference 10. So now I want to find median. Median formula L plus n by 2 minus PCF by F into H. L equal to 40 plus n by 2 50. PCF minus 32 by F equal to 28 into H equal to 10. So 40 plus 50 minus 32, 18 by 18 into 10, 180 by 28. So 40 plus 180 cancel with 4. So 45 by 7. So 45 by 7 equal to 40 plus 7 into 6, 42, 3, 30, 7 into 4, 30, 28. So 46.4. So median equal to 46.4. So first I want to take mid values of class intervals. Mid value, class interval. So xi. So 0 10, average 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. Now mod xi minus median. So subtracting each and every mid value minus 46.4. 5 minus 46.4 minus 41.4, but it is modulus, so 41.4. Next 31.4. Next 21.4. Next 11.4. Next 1.4. Next 8.6. Subtract 18.6. 28.6. Now we multiply with this one. Fi into mod xi minus median. Now 5 into 41.4. 5 into 4 20.0. 5 into 1 5 plus 2 7. 5 into 4 20 207. 8 into 4 32. 3 8 into 1 8 plus 3 11. 8 into 3 24 plus 1 25. Next 7 into 4 28. 7 into 1 7 plus 2 9. 7 into 2 14. 12 into 4 48. 12 into 11 132 plus 4 136. Next 14 into 14 196 into 2 392. 392 is nothing but 39.2. Next 20 into 8.6, so 172. 172.0. Next 186.0. Next 286.0. 286.0. So now I want to add 2 plus 8 10. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 10 20. 2 plus 6 8 plus 6 14 plus 2 16 plus 9 25. 25 plus 15 40 plus 8 48. Next one more time 8 10 16 plus 9 25. 25 plus 6 31 plus 9 40 41 plus 7 48. 4 plus 16 20 30 37 plus 5 37 plus 5 42. 12 20 30 37 plus 5 42. 4 plus 2 6 7 8 9 10 12 14. So 1 4 2 8. Okay. Next, now mean deviation about median equal to sigma fi mod xi minus median by capital N. So this is almost 1428 by n equal to 100. So adjusting to decimal 14.28 is the required mean deviation about median. Next, second question. This is first one, second bit, first question, second. This is the second bit, second question. Find the mean deviation. Find the mean deviation about. Find the mean deviation about mean for the following data. For this data, we need to find. Okay, first one, height. Number of boys. First 95 to 105. 105 to 115. 115 to 120. 115 to 125. 125 to 135. 135 to 145. 145 to 155. So these are the class intervals. Heights 9, 13, 26, 30, 12, 10. So in the previous problem we find mean deviation about median. Here we need to find mean deviation about mean. So first, class intervals. I want to find mean. Class intervals 95 to 105, 105 to 115, next 115 to 135 to 145, 145 to 155. These are class intervals. Now frequencies. Frequency 9, 95, 105, 105, 115, 115, 125, last 145 to 155. 3 plus 3 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 13, 26, 30, 12, 10. N equal to 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 9, 20. 2 plus 1, 3, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. 100. N equal to 100. Xi, Fi. These are class intervals, these are frequencies. Now I want to find mid value. Mid value of class intervals Xi. 95 plus 105 equal to how much? 95 plus 105, 200 by 2 equal to 100. So class interval is 10. We are adding 10 up one by one. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. So now we may apply deviation method, step deviation method, whatever the method. Of course, we may use a direct method. Whatever the method we may choose, the result will be same. So I want to take a direct method. Fi into Xi. 9 into 100, 900. 13 into 110, 1430. 11 into 13, 143. Next, 26 into 12. 12 into 6, 72. 12 into 2, 24. Plus 7, 30. 3120. Next, 13 into 3, 39. 3900. 14 into 1, 680. 15 into 10, 150, 1500. Now, total. So, 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 3, 13. 13. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 6, 12. 22 plus 4, 26 plus 9, 35. 3, 4, 5, 8, 11, 12. So 1, 2, 5, 3, 0. So this is sigma Fi. This is N. So X bar are being equal to sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. Again, it is equal to 1, 2, 5, 3, 0 by 100. 0, 0 cancel. 125.3. So this is the mean. Now I am taking mod Xi minus X bar. So this is mean. I want to subtract this X bar. So from each and everything. 100 minus 125.3, 25.3. 110 minus 125.3, 15.3. 5.3. 4.7. 14. So 14.7. 24.7. Now we take the product Fi with this one. Fi according to the formula Fi mod Xi minus X1. So 9 into 25.3. 9 into 3 is 27. 25 into 9, 225 plus 2, 227. 13 into 3, 13 into 3, 39. 13 into 5, 65 plus 3, 68. 13 into 1, 13 plus 6, 90. So 13 into 3, 39. 13 into 5, 65 plus 3, 68. 13 into 1, 13 plus 6, 90. 26 into 3, 78. 26 into 5, 130 plus 7, 137. Next, 4.7 into 10, 47. 47 into 3, 3 into 7, 21. 3 into 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Next, 12 into 7, 84. 12 into 4, 48 plus 8, 56. 7, 176.4. So 247. Next, 7 plus 9, 16 plus 8, 24 plus 4, 28. 2. 2 plus 7 9 plus 6 15 16 plus 7 23 30 38. 3 plus 7 10 14 18 18 plus 3 18 plus 3 11 plus 9 20 plus 2 22. 2 plus 2 4 5 6 7 8 plus 9 8. 2 plus 2 4 5 6 7 8 plus 2 10. Okay, now this is sigma fi mod xi minus x bar. So now mean deviation about mean deviation about mean equal to sigma mod fi mod xi minus x bar by n or sigma fi 1028.8 by 100. So 2 zeros adjusting the point 2 decimals. 10.28. This is the required answer. So similar kind of example we will discuss now. Mean deviation about mean. So example number 7. Example 7. For example 7, mean deviation about mean. So table sales frequency, number of companies. So sales 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. So these are the sales. So corresponding frequency 5, 15, 25, 30, 20, 5. 5, 15, 25, 30, 25. So now for this data we need to find mean deviation about mean deviation about mean. So to find mean deviation about mean, we need to find the first calculate mean. So first sales class intervals 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. So these are the class intervals. Next frequency 5, 15, 25, 30, 25. So I want to take a total frequency. Then equal to 5 plus 5 10, 15, 20. 2 plus 2 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10. So this is class interval. This is fi. Next I want to take a mid value xi. Mid value xi. 40 plus 50 by 2. 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. So this is mid value. So fi xi. Now I want to take a product directly. fi xi. 5 into 45, 225. 15 into 55. 15 into 5, 75. 15 into 5, 75 plus 7, 82. 25 into 5, 25 into 65. 25 into 5, 125. 125, 12. 25 into 6, 150 plus 12, 162. Next, 75 into 30, 2250. So 1700. 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 9, 45. 45 plus 2, 47. 47, 475. So I want to take this sum. 5, 10, 15, 20. 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 2 plus 4, 6. 31. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. One more time. 5 10 15 20. 2 plus 7 9 plus 5 14. 14 plus 2 16 plus 2 18 plus 2 20. 2 plus 4 6 plus 7 13 plus 2 16 plus 6 16 plus 6 22. 22 plus 10 32. Okay. 32. 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. 7 2 double 0. So now x bar equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi equal to 7 2 double 0 by 100. Zeros cancel 70. Now mod xi minus x bar. So I want to subtract 72 from each and everything. So 72 from each and everything. So one more time I want to check the sum. 5 10 15 20. 2 plus 7 9 plus 5 14 16 18 20. 2 plus 4 6 plus 7 13. 13 plus 2 15 plus 6 21. Actually this is one only. One more time. 2 plus 4 6 plus 7 13 plus 2 15 plus 6 21 plus 10 13. 3 plus 4 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6 plus 1. So 1. So 71. So subtract 5 minus 71 minus 66 66 56 46. Now actually I am subtracting from the frequency. We need to subtract from xi. 45 minus 71 26 16 6 4 14 24. So fi into mod xi minus x bar. So we are taking product fi with mod xi minus x bar. 5 into 26 130. 16 into 15 15 into 16 16 into 5 80 into 3 240. Next 25 into 6 25 into 2 50 into 3 150. 30 into 4 120. 20 into 14 280. 24 into 5 150. So now I want to take some. 3 plus 4 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus 2 14 plus 10 24. Again 24. 2 2 plus 8 10 12 plus 5 17 plus 3 20 plus 24. 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 6 7 8 plus 2 10. So 1 0 4 0. So this is the sum. Now mean deviation about mean equal to sigma fi mod xi minus x bar by sigma fi, which is equal to 1040 by 100. 0 0 cancel 10.4. So 10.4. So this is the required answer.